Hey, Dr. Nuesse here again, and today we are talking about Crepini Egg Thin Wraps. That is up next on Is It Healthy? All right, so today we are talking about Crepini Egg Thins, and these are wraps. There are 12 individual wraps in this package. So first off, what are these? What are Crepini Egg Thins? So basically what they're supposed to be is a substitute for something like a tortilla wrap or a flour wrap, something that would be high in refined carbohydrates, something that you wouldn't want to use on a keto or a low carb program. So I'm reviewing today these Crepini Egg Thins, and we're going to answer the questions. Are they healthy? Do they fit into low carb or keto programs? And are they good? Do they taste good? Are they something that you are going to want to use if you're doing low carb? There is no point in having a low carb or a keto friendly product that doesn't taste good and you're not going to want to use anyway. So, do Crepini Egg Thins fit into low carb? Are they healthy? Let's look at the nutrition facts to find out the answer. Okay, so the first thing that we'll look at is actually the nutrition facts. So the serving size is 1 wrap. There are 12 wraps in the container. And the first thing you want to note is these wraps are extremely thin. Sometimes if you're going to make something like a burrito or something like that with the wrap, you're going to maybe want to use 2. So I would say the serving size is more like 2 wraps. All right, so let's look at the calories first. There are 8 calories in 1 wrap. Again, I recommend using 2, doubling them up if you're going to wrap something up like a burrito or a small wrap sandwich or something like that. So we'll say there's 16 calories. Now, this is listed as a 0 fat product, so there's 0 grams of fat again in 1 wrap. And the total carbohydrates, again, for 1 wrap are 0 as well, including total sugars of 0. All right, so this is important to note. There are 8 calories listed in 1 wrap, and again, I said we were probably going to double that. So in 2 wraps, there's 16 calories, but then there's no fat listed, and there are no carbohydrates listed as well. So where are those calories coming from if there's no fat and no carbohydrates? Well, again, this goes back to a concept that I discussed earlier in other videos, and that is that manufacturers of food products can list fat calories, fat content as 0 and carbohydrates as 0 if there are less than 1 gram per serving, the serving size being 1 wrap. So most likely there's something like half a gram of fat and half a gram of carbohydrates per wrap or something like that. But they can list it as 0 because it's less than 1 gram. So maybe you're getting 1 gram of carbohydrates or 1 gram of fat if you are doubling, like I said that we should, to 2 wraps per serving. Maybe you're getting 1 gram of fat and 1 gram of carbohydrates. Okay, so now let's go down and look at the ingredients. Okay, so the ingredients are pretty straightforward. We've got egg white, egg whole, cauliflower powder, olive oil, sea salt, xanthan gum, and some spices, and citric acid. So is there anything in the ingredient list that we are going to want to avoid? If I had everything my way, I would probably want to limit the olive oil in an extreme body fat loss program. But everything else is good on this list. So let's start answering the questions here. Is this a keto, low carb compliant wrap? Is this a good substitute for something like a tortilla wrap? The answer is absolutely. This is a low carb product. Now, is it unhealthy? Are there any artificial flavors or artificial ingredients in the ingredient list that we are going to want to avoid? And the answer in this case, again, is no. So this is also a healthy product. And then the final thing that we've got to answer is, are they any good? Do they taste good? Now, I am going to answer that question by linking a video up here in the I button. We've actually made 2 recipes on our other channel, my wife's channel actually, the Live New channel, using Crepinis because we are a big fan of these. We think these are this is a game changer type of product for people that are missing things like flour tortilla wraps when doing a low carb program. So we've made actually egg rolls using this product, and it's a recipe that we came up with. And we've also made breakfast crepes with this product as well. So definitely you'll want to go and check out that video and maybe both videos on that other channel, and subscribe over there too, because we're doing cooking videos using products like this. So is this then a tasty product, a useful product? The answer is obviously yes. So keto, low carb friendly, yes. Healthy, yes. And definitely useful, tasty. It fills a big void for people that are doing keto and low carb programs. All right, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and consider subscribing. And until next time, stay happy and stay healthy. And I'll catch everyone in the next video.